Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unlocking your Mac with your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac. Choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Click Touch ID and Passwords from the left sidebar. You now need to turn on the toggle to the right of your Apple Watch's name. You will have to enter your Mac password to continue. Click Unlock. Now when you bring your Apple Watch near to your Mac when it is locked, it will unlock your Mac for you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.